Hello, Saurav. Welcome to YourPedia. Let's start your snap interview on the subject power system for your NMDC preparation. Right?
Yes, right, sir.
Okay, fine. See, which material is mostly used for the purpose of transmission in India? What is the material that is used?
Like on transmission lines,
Yeah,
it's aluminum.
aluminum.
Conduct
Why aluminum? Why not copper?
aluminum because the aluminum has the less electric field around that electric field effect on that around that conductor, so the current losses will be less.
Okay, fine. See, we are going for standard conductors. What is the reason to go for standard conductor? Main reason? Instead
For
of solid
standard,
conductor, we are going for standard. What is the reason?
for standard that we have to reduce the skin effect because as the AC currents are when the AC currents are traveling to that uh, core conductor, means that whole conductor. Yeah, the current will resides on the surface of the conductor and the resistance will increase, so the losses will increase. That's why we use standard conductors.
Okay. See, in distribution, skin effect will be less, no?
In distributions,
Is it less or
yeah,
see, skin effect is going to depend upon what are the factors that will affect the skin effect?
skin effect that will depend on the size of the conductor and the depth from the center to the surface. That skin depth will be there.
See, in transmission, we are going for higher amount of currents, some more size of the conductor, it is okay. But in distribution, current amount is very less. But still, we are going
Yes, sir.
for standard only. Distribution lines also made up of standard, right?
Yes, sir.
Why we can go for solid conductor? No, in distribution. Why we are going for standard conductor in distribution?
There also that skin effect will be there, sir.
What are the disadvantages of skin effect?
Skin effect, ISRO losses will increase.
Okay. Suppose if I'm okay with the power loss, can I go for a solid conductor rather than standard conductor?
Solid conductors.
If I
Yeah,
see, if power loss is happening due to skin effect, I'm okay with that. Let the power lost, no problem for me. Then can I go for solid conductor rather standard conductor?
yeah, sir. But in standard conductor, what's happened? The length will also increase. Length of the conductor will also increase now.
Okay.
So length increases, so resistance will also increase there.
Then I should not use standard, na?
Yeah, but
As per your reason.
I think the tensile strength will be the reason for that. It will increase
So
the
which
tensile.
one is more strong, solid or standard?
I think according to tensile strength, the solid will be the solid have a good tensile strength than the standard.
And then, as per your answers, solid is advantageous, na, when compared to standard.
But that advantage is, but we can't take that tensile strength as an advantage. But we have to overcome the losses also there. That's the main thing we have to overcome there.
My question is, if I'm okay with the loss, I can bear the power loss, no problem for me. Can I go with solid conductor or not?
Yes, you can.
So how can you transport solid conductor if you are making conductor as solid? How you are going to transport it from one place to another place?
For transportation, we have to make the bundles of.
If you make the spirals of solid conductor, it will be a permanent band, na? Saurav, unmute. You are on mute. Saurav, unmute. You went on to mute. Saurav.
Hello.
Saurav.
Okay, yeah. Sir. That transportation will be difficult if we use the solid conductors.
Yeah, that is the main reason we are going for a
Yeah,
sand
yeah,
conductor, right?
yeah. That's the main reason.
Okay. What
It
are the
may
causes?
break
What are the causes of over voltage in power system?
causes of over voltages. Over voltage that may happen due to the lightning strikes, uh, or no load condition on the means on the load side. There will be sudden change. Means no load or light load condition is there, or the switching surges will be there in the transmission lines.
See, how many types of over voltage are there in power system?
Sorry, sir.
Types of over voltages in power system.
Over voltages.
Yeah.
Lightning over voltages and switching over voltages.
Okay. Which one is
Fine.
higher value, lightning over voltage or switching over voltage?
And switching surges, that arcing ground is also one effect there.
Okay. What is the difference between neutral and earth?
Neutral and earth. Basically, we use the neutral point to get the return path for the conductors, currents, return path for the currents, that the current flowing through the phase and it will return back to the system through the neutral point. And the earthing is used for the safe as a safety equipment, safety for the equipment means.
Okay.
It will.
How many types of neutral grounding methods we have? Types of neutral grounding methods.
Neutral grounding methods are resistance, connecting resistance to the neutral, and reactance grounding.
Types of neutral grounding methods. For synchronous generator, which method is used? Neutral grounding method. What is the method that is used for neutral grounding of synchronous generator?
It's resistance grounding.
Why resistance grounding is used?
The stability will be improved by using that.
Okay.
If in transient stability or steady state stability, no, transient stability will be improved.
Okay. How resistance will improve stability?
According to the swing equation, m d2 delta upon dt square is equals to pa, that is accelerating power. That is, pa is mechanical power, input power, ps minus pe, that is the electrical power we have. If we increase the electrical power, the acceleration or the oscillations will be reduced. So to increase the electric power, we add the resistance in the neutral grounding, so it will reduce the oscillations and the stability will be maintained.
Okay. Fine. Let me give you feedback, Saurabh. See, your knowledge is up to the mark. It's okay. But when in the interview, it's like they will ask the same question if you're committing mistake.
Okay.
Okay, so that you have to catch there some point.
Okay, sir.
So interview will be like a helpful interview. Or most of the interviews, interviewer will give you hint if you're committing any mistake. Okay, just he will make you comfortable to think there, right?
Okay, sir.
Fine. So this is first snap. Join for second snap tomorrow.
At what time, sir?
Same time.
Okay, sir.